Air pollution levels in parts of the East Midlands today reached the highest in the country. A crucial combination of weather factors is blamed, including a storm in the Sahara Desert, which has left some of us having to clean sand and grit from our cars.
Yes, it's been causing real problems for people with existing medical conditions, and those who have heart or lung problems are being urged to avoid strenuous activity. Chris Halpin reports.
It's an ill wind which has blown nothing good our way, all the way from the Sahara Desert. Today, a potent combination of factors meant air pollution levels in the Midlands were some of the worst in the country, reaching a maximum level 10 in the east and between 7 and 9 elsewhere across the Midlands. Dr. Roland Leigh from Leicester University uses scientific instruments to monitor the pollution.
Today we have a particular mix of aerosols that is unusual, and it includes a number of different imported pollutants from the Sahara and Europe, but it also shows that later in the week we may have a slightly different mix that people need to be a little bit careful about if they're out and about, particularly doing strenuous activity.
Those with existing health complaints like asthma were warned against heavy exercise or working outdoors, with many feeling today's effects.
I'm all right in here at the moment, but as soon as I go to the door, it starts like, and just to walk into the back place and back again, it's really shatters me like, you know.
Many of you captured the Saharan dust this morning and sent us the evidence. While rare here, smog is an ongoing problem in world capitals. In Shanghai, they have a flag system which lets everyone know what pollution levels are. In schools, there are air purifiers and children aren't allowed outside when things are bad. A fortnight ago in Paris, to tackle the smog, they made public transport free and 50% of cars were banned from the city's roads. Air pollution was responsible for 8 million deaths worldwide last year, 2 million more than from smoking. The government says they want to keep improving air quality and have introduced a new 5-day forecast in addition to investing heavily in local and transport initiatives. Back in Leicester, Dr. Leigh says more can be done to check the cleanliness of our air.
What we want to see as scientists is more measurements, more instrumentation to enable that forecasting to get more and more accurate, as well as better services that tell people in advance this may be an issue and this is the advice we would give you.
The forecast shows the dust should settle by tomorrow, a sigh of relief for those affected by this freak Saharan sandstorm. Chris Halpin, ITV News.